Welcome to Introduction to Hip Hop. Today's lesson, handstand. Handstand is a foundation move for upside down freezes and acrobatic moves. Let's check it out. Let's start off with our hand position. We want to spread our fingers out and make sure our hands are placed at least shoulder width apart. This will help with our balance. When we do our handstand, we want to be standing straight up like a pencil. Anything that is not in line with our body will make us lose balance, such as slouching. We also don't want to be arching our back. The variation we will learn today involves splitting our legs to help us balance. As you can see, our upper bodies are straight, and even though our legs are bent, there is actually a straight line going from the tip of my hands down to my knee. Once you're ready, place your hands down, kick up, and practice splitting your legs and holding a straight position as much as possible. You might feel your weight shifting back and forth and losing balance. That is completely normal, and with practice, you will learn to control it. Once you've got this basic handstand down, play around with different leg positions and add them to your own freestyle. There you have it. Remember to practice safely and ask somebody to spot you if you need to.